Want to sound polite like a real French speaker? In today's lesson, I'll show you 10 French greetings and goodbye that every tourist must know. Stay until the end for a phrase that always makes French people smile.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hello or good morning.
Salut.
Salut.
Hi.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Good evening.
Enchanté.
Enchanté.
Nice to meet you.
Ça va?
Ça va?
How are you?
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Salut.
Salut.
Bye.
À bientôt.
À bientôt.
See you soon.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée.
Have a nice day.
Bonne soirée.
Bonne soirée.
Have a nice evening. That's it. Now you know the 10 most common French greetings and goodbye. Which one will you use first when you visit France? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick French phrases.